Hello and welcome to PCMINR.com. You're watching this video on Structure of Atom by Sonal Gupta. In this chapter, in this topic, we are going to talk about the basic structure of an atom. So we know that an atom, it is considered to be consisting of electrons with a nucleus in the center. And this nucleus, which is in the center of the electron of the atom, is considered to carry a positive charge as it consists of protons, and it is massive because it consists of neutrons. So it is assumed that protons and neutrons, they reside inside, and the electrons, they revolve around in the orbits around the nucleus. So if I have the first shell would be somewhere here that has only 2 electrons. So this is containing only 2 electrons. So we would say that an atom consists of 3 subatomic particles. They are electrons, which are the lightest and the smallest charge. The charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power negative 19 coulombs. The charge on an atom is electrically neutral. That's because protons, they also carry an equal amount of charge, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to negative 19 coulomb. But this is negative and this one is positive. So charge on an electron is negative 1.6 and charge on a proton is positive 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, because the number of electrons is equal to the number of protons in an atom, therefore an atom on the whole is neutral. And the third particle, that is neutrons, they are present in the nucleus and they are neutral. So they do not carry any charge, hence they don't contribute to the charge of an atom, but they are heavy, so they contribute towards the mass of an atom. The number of electrons or protons is denoted as Z, which is called the atomic number of an element. So atomic number gives us the information about number of electrons or the number of protons, and because they are same. And A, which is known as the mass number, that represents the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So protons or electrons is an equal number, but protons plus neutrons is the mass number. So in general, if we want to write any element, it's always written as ZXA, where X is the name of the element and Z is its atomic number and A is the mass number. For example, I can write chlorine. I will write it as 17Cl35. That would mean that number of electrons in chlorine is equal to 17. The number of protons in chlorine is also 17, but number of neutrons in chlorine is 35 minus 17, that is 18, because number of neutrons can be determined from the mass number. Mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. So mass number is 35 and protons is 17. So number of neutrons is simply the difference between the mass number and the atomic number. So that gives me 18 neutrons. And one more important term is that neutrons plus protons together are known by the name of nucleons because they reside inside the nucleus. So they are known as nucleons. So in this video, we have talked about just the basic structure of an atom. There are 2 more videos which you can check out, as I have discussed about the electronic configuration, valency, and how they form the ions in some other videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe PCMINR.com on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.